Meanwhile, Brazil broke its record for new daily COVID-19 deaths with over 2,000 fatalities as the pandemic overwhelms hospitals and vaccinations progress slowly. Early Briones reports why live. Yes, Early, please go ahead.
Yes, Marielle. Brazil reported on Wednesday a record high daily COVID-19 deaths at 2,286 in 24 hours, bringing the national toll to 270,656. Brazil broke its own record for daily COVID-19 deaths the second day in a row, after 1,972 related deaths were reported on Tuesday. Brazil's leading public healthcare center, Fiocruz, warned that recent figures of the country's largest healthcare facility point to an impending collapse due to the immense pressure the relentless infection surges are bringing. Around 15 state capitals with intensive care units, including Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo, are now at 90% capacity, while Brasilia, Porto Alegre, and Campo Grande have now exceeded their capacities. Margaret Del Colmo, a doctor at Fiocruz, told AFP that the country is now at the worst moment of the pandemic and that 2021 will not be any easier compared to last year. Health authorities strongly suggest that the rate of transmissions of the infection is made worse by different, more contagious variants. At the same time, other experts warn that the country is now likened to a breeding ground of new variants of the virus, specifically a highly contagious variant from the Amazon city of Manaus, also known as P1, now under investigation if it is responsible for the sudden infection surges. Global authorities now call for emergency vaccination, lockdown, and social distancing protocols to prevent the P1 variant from spreading globally as early as possible. The country's president, Jair Bolsonaro, has reportedly downplayed the threats the virus has brought to the country, with many citizens reporting that they feel abandoned by the federal government. So far, Marielle, Brazil has ordered more than 200 million doses of AstraZeneca, Oxford, and CoronaVac vaccines, but only 8 million people, or just 4% of the population, have had their first dose. Marielle?
All right, Early, thank you for that live report.